Hello, my name is Hannah and today I'm going to be reviewing the Patagonia MLC Mini 26-liter bag. I've decided to review this bag because there doesn't seem to be any reviews of people packing it online, and I really wanted to show everyone just how much fits inside this personal item airline bag. This bag has dimensions that should fit under the seat in front of you on most airlines in the US. So this bag can be carried three different ways. It can be carried briefcase style by the side handle. It can be carried as a duffel bag. It comes with a duffel strap that attaches to two clips that stow here and here. It also has stowable backpack straps that I will show you later. So today I'm just going to be doing a quick overview of what I've packed in this bag for a 5-day trip. The materials on this bag are, the outside is a recycled polyester ripstop nylon with TPU film laminate, and then the inside liner is 200 denier recycled polyester with PU coating. What all that means is that this bag is a very water resistant bag. The dimensions of this bag are, it is 19.5 inches tall by 12.25 inches wide by 6 inches deep. So it's right at that maximum personal item size. It doesn't really have a frame, so you will be able to squish this in to one of those sizing bins if they have you show that it fits. Also, if this matters to you, this bag is Blue Sign approved, which means that it is made very sustainably. So going into what I actually have packed in the bag, on this front quick access pocket, it's a very thin pocket. There's not really any interior organization, so I don't have much in here. I have a charging cable, I have a power bank, and then I also have a pen in here. And that's really all I keep in here. Again, there's not a lot of dimensions to this pocket, so there's not much that can fit. Something to note about this bag is that all of its pockets are easiest to access when it is in briefcase mode on the side. Moving into this next pocket, this is large, zips all the way down and folds out. In this pocket, I keep my Bose headphones. I don't really like the smaller earbuds because they give me a headache if I wear them too long, so these are really nice for longer plane rides. It has my TSA quart-sized approved liquids bag. I like having this on an external pocket because that makes it really easy to access when going through TSA. Inside this bag, I just have my makeup wipes, a shampoo and conditioner bottle, mascara and concealer, an eyebrow pencil. I've got toothpaste and floss, my foundation, some lotion, and then toothbrush and nail clippers, and that is all that I carry inside my liquids bag. Now this pocket has two felt line components right here. We have a pocket that's just big enough for your cell phone, probably an iPhone or an Android. Here we have a tablet compartment that I fit my iPad mini into. And then other components in this pocket are two mesh elastic pockets here. One of them has a clip that you can carry your car keys in for quick access. And then there's a zippered pocket up top here. 4 pen holders, and then one more mesh zippered pocket here that's really, really thin. You could probably get your passport in there, and really not much else. Now that is it for this pocket. Moving on to the main storage compartment of this bag. One of the selling points for me is that this bag opens fully clamshell, so you have a ton of access when packing this bag. It makes it really easy for those short trips. On this front flap right here, I mostly just have more of my toiletries, kind of makeup items, have face powder, some Advil, blush, deodorant, highlighter. In this little coin purse, I keep my hair ties and my bobby pins. Over in this other pouch, I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, as well as a whole bunch of makeup brushes. That's it for that flap. Moving into the main compartment, I have a small purse for daily carry. This fits my phone, wallet, and keys, as well as an extra pair of sandals, Gymshark sports bra. I have a pajama set, hairbrush. This contains my intimates. I think I have 3 bras in here, a week's worth of underwear, as well as a few pairs of socks. Have a workout top. And then I have 5 shirts right here. 4 just kind of blouses and then 1 long sleeve shirt in case it gets chilly. I'll take those out. And then down here, another workout top. I brought a dress just in case we got somewhere nice. It's a short knee length dress, so if you have a full length dress, it's gonna be a little bit bulkier. Also for reference, I'm a little under 5'7", so if you're taller than me, you probably won't be able to fit as much, and if you're shorter than me, you'll probably be able to fit a little bit more. I also have 2 pairs of jeans and 2 leggings, and that is all I have in this really large compartment. I like that it has this mesh here because I can help compress it down a little bit and keep everything nice, organized, and easy to access. So closing this pocket, going to the back of the bag, we have our laptop pocket. I don't have anything in here currently because I don't tend to carry a laptop when I travel. However, in this laptop compartment, you could probably easily fit a 17-inch laptop. My 15.5-inch laptop fits just fine in this compartment. There's a little buckle down here that you unlatch so that you can secure your laptop. The next feature of this bag that's really nice is it has a luggage pass-through that when carried in briefcase mode, this also acts as a pocket because there is a zipper on the bottom that can make it a total luggage pass-through or just a pocket. If you use it as a pocket, keep in mind that there is no way to secure it. It is just nice and open. And then next, we have these stowable backpack straps. You can just pull out of that zippered pocket. Really, really easy to get out. And they clip in down at these bottom corners here. There's a couple of hidden buckles you can just slide these into. Can be a little bit tricky if you don't slide out the buckles before you try and clip it. But anyway, it also has a sternum strap that's adjustable. These are removable, and you can move it up to different parts along this daisy chain so that it fits right for your height. Otherwise, that is all I have to say about this Patagonia MLC Mini 26-liter bag. Thank you.